Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel, Cracking IELTS 9.0. Today I'll be discussing Cambridge 16 Test 4 of the General Training module. This is the passage 2 of section 1. As you can see, the heading says Beekeeping Workshop at Elm Farm. Here we have a few questions that is nothing but true, false and not given. Okay, so let's read the passage first and then we'll come back to the questions. If you have ever wanted to keep bees and have your own delicious honey, there's no better time to begin. Okay, whether you are keen to learn everything you need to know to get you started, or simply extremely interested in the idea of keeping bees, this one-day interactive workshop will teach you the fascinating secrets of the honeybee and how to care for and keep bees. Okay, he's talking about the workshop here, right? Let's go to the first question. Right, the workshop is only suitable for people who already keep their own bees. Okay, he's talking about the workshop only suitable for people who already keep their own bees, he says. These are the keywords, guys. Okay, did we read that people should already have their own bees? Let's read the passage again. So what does it say? This one-day interactive workshop will teach you the fascinating secrets of honeybee and how to care for and keep bees. So does it say that you should already have the own bees? No, right? No need to have it. Because see, whether you are keen to learn everything you need to know to get started or simply extremely interested in the idea of keeping bees. So even if you have the idea of keeping bees, you are welcome to the workshop, right? So no need to have your own bees. So ninth one is clearly, so this one ninth one is contradicting with the information given in the passage, right? Hence it is clearly false, right guys? Okay, let's jump to the next question. Participants will meet people who are involved in selling honey to the public. Okay, so selling honey is the keyword. So the participants is one keyword. Will meet people who are involved in selling honey to the public. Okay, let's read the passage and understand this. Our day begins here on the farm, getting to know about the honeybee, specifically the kind we keep here and their fascinating history. You will find out about and try for yourself the equipment beekeepers use to care for their bees and discover the many different types of hives bee colonies live in and their different uses. You will learn about the life cycle of the colony, disease prevention and caring for bees, and of course how to harvest honey for your personal use or for sale. Okay, here we talked something about sale, right? Selling the honey. Okay, is there anything else in the next passage? Let's read it to understand. Then it's time to try on your bee suit and meet our bees. We'll teach you how to open the hive, recognize the different bees in it, including how to spot the queen and explain what they are doing in different parts of the hive. Okay, so what is the question? Participants will meet people who are involved in selling honey to the public? No, we didn't read anything about people who are involved in selling honey, right? What he said that, see, you will learn about the life cycle of a colony, disease prevention, caring for bees, and also how to harvest honey or for sale, for personal use or for sale. So he said we'll learn this, but he didn't say anywhere that we are going to meet people who are selling honey, right? So what is this? Is it false or not given? This is clearly not given, right? Because nowhere it is given that we are going to meet people who sell honey, right? So yeah, 10th one is not given. Next, let's move to the 11th one. Vegetarian refreshments are available if requested in advance. Okay, he's talking about some refreshments now. Vegetarian refreshments are available if requested in advance. Okay, let's read the passage now. Okay, so we are clear that in this passage we didn't find anything about the vegetarian refreshments, right? What's included in the price? Okay, let's read the passage. We'll provide everything you need, including unlimited organic tea or coffee, lunch cooked in our outdoor wood fired oven, and beekeeping suits for the day. Just bring a pair of thick boots with you. You will leave with plenty of notes and resources, including a packet of bee friendly wildflower seeds and courtesy of BJ Sharif, the leading supplier of beekeeping clothing. An exclusive 25% discounts for anything in their online store. Okay. So, did we read anything about the refreshments, guys, here? No, no, right? We didn't read anything about vegetarian or non-vegetarian refreshments, right? So obviously the answer would be, what is it? False or not given? Yes, it is not given clearly, right? Next, participants will need to pay extra to hire appropriate clothes for the workshop. Okay, now he is talking about paying extra is the keyword. To hire the clothes is one keyword for the workshop. Let's read this, whether they have to pay extra or not. We like to run our workshop fairly and honestly. Your booking secures a very limited place, so is non-refundable. If you can't make it, you can send a friend or colleague instead though. If at the end of any of our workshops you don't believe that it has helped you to achieve what it set out to, we will gladly provide a full refund. Okay, great. Okay, let's look at these words, guys. See, okay, lunch cooked in outdoor wood fired oven and beekeeping suits for the day. See, we will provide everything you need. See, all these things they will provide. Beekeeping suits as well. Suits means the appropriate clothes. So there is no need to pay extra, right? All this, see, what's included in the price means all these things they are included in the price. Even beekeeping suits are included, so no need to pay extra, right? So what is 12th one then? Participant need to pay extra? No, no need. False. It is clearly opposing, contradicting the statement, right? So 12th one is clearly false. Now let's move to the 13th one. Protective footwear will be required during the workshop. Okay, he's talking about protective footwear or boots now. So what did we read about the boots? Okay, just bring a pair of thick boots with you. Okay, yes, so we have to just bring the boots. You will live with plenty notes and resources, including the packet of bee friendly seeds. So yes, just bring a pair of thick boots with you. So we just have to bring the boots. So what is the question? Protective footwear will be required during the workshop. Yes, it is required. We have to bring it. So this one is true now, clearly. Okay, so finally we got an answer which is true now. Okay, guys. Again, if someone has to cancel before the workshop, the fee will be repaid. Okay, he's talking about refunds now. If someone has to cancel before the workshop, see, in case of canceling the workshop, what is the condition? See, your bookings is very limited, so it is non-refundable. Okay, first word we got it. It is not refundable. If you can't make it, then send a friend or a colleague. Okay, so they will not refund your money. They will only, see, you can only send a friend or colleague. It is fully non-refundable, right? So what is the answer? 14th one. If someone has to cancel before the workshop, fee will be repaid? No, not at all. This is clearly false. Okay, right, guys. So I hope you guys are following my videos. These videos are extremely helpful for people who want to crack the IELTS test. So that is the end of today's video, guys. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So until next time, goodbye, have a great day.